This is Lauren, and she's going to show you what the Ivee Digit talking alarm clock is like.
Hello.
Hello, Lauren.
How could I help you?
Time.
The time is 7:30.
Hello, Lauren.
How could I help you?
Date.
The date is the 7th day.
Hello, Lauren.
How could I help you?
Temperature.
The temperature is hot degrees.
Hello, Lauren.
How could I help you?
Set alarm.
I couldn't hear you.
Set alarm.
I couldn't hear you.
Set alarm.
Would you like alarm 10, alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3?
Set alarm 1.
Alarm 1, crazy.
Hello, Lauren.
How could I help you?
Play sleep sound.
What sleep sound would you like me to play?
Help.
The names of the sleep sounds are Cricket Valley, Tiny Bug, or Zebra Valley.
Play sleep sound Cricket Valley.
We're crickets, we jump in the field, we're crickets, we jump in the field, we're crickets.
Cancel. Hello, Lauren.
How could I help you?
Play sleep sound snoring. Hello, Lauren.
How could I help you?
Set timer.
Would you like timer 1, timer 2, timer 3, or timer 4?
Set timer 1, 5 minutes.
Okay. Ding, ding, ding. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Goodbye, Lauren.